Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss one of the deadliest weapons in the world, the machine gun. A machine gun is a type of firearm that can fire a large number of bullets continuously from a belt or a magazine. So, let's dive in and understand more about the machine gun. What is a machine gun? A machine gun is a fully automatic firearm that can fire multiple rounds of ammunition in a short amount of time. Unlike a semi-automatic firearm, which requires the shooter to pull the trigger each time to fire a single round. A machine gun can fire continuously as long as the trigger is held down and there is ammunition in the magazine or belt. There are two main types of machine guns: the light machine gun and the heavy machine gun. The light machine gun is typically carried by an individual soldier and can fire a smaller caliber round. The heavy machine gun, on the other hand, is mounted on a tripod or vehicle and can fire larger caliber rounds. The first machine gun was invented by Richard Gatling in 1862. This early machine gun was manually operated and required a person to turn a crank to fire multiple rounds. Over the years, machine guns became more sophisticated and advanced. During World War I, machine guns were used extensively and were responsible for a significant number of casualties. Machine guns are primarily used by military and law enforcement agencies. They are used in combat situations, to provide covering fire for troops, to suppress enemy fire, and to protect fixed installations. Machine guns can also be used for recreational purposes, such as in shooting ranges or for hunting. Machine guns are heavily regulated in most countries. In the United States, for example, ownership of machine guns is legal but requires a special permit from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF. In some countries, such as Australia and the United Kingdom, ownership of machine guns is illegal. In conclusion, the machine gun is a deadly weapon that has been used extensively in military operations throughout history. Although they have a variety of uses, machine guns are heavily regulated in most countries due to their destructive power. It is important to understand the history and uses of machine guns in order to appreciate the responsibility that comes with owning or operating one. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.